Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, summarize Miller's simulation experiment for organic synthesis, comment on its efficacy. So, in this question, they are asking us to explain, summarize Miller's simulation experiment and to comment on its efficacy. So, the key concept for this question, is that Miller's experiment was done to understand the origin of life. Experiment was done to understand the origin of life. So, in 1953, an American scientist, एक अमेरिकन साइंटिस्ट थे जिनका नाम था एस.एल. मिलर. So, S.L. Miller created an exact condition of उन्होंने लैब में एक एग्जैक्ट कंडीशन बनाई जो प्रोटो अर्थ के मॉडल पे प्रिडिक्ट करी गई थी. क्रिएटेड exact conditions in a lab as predicted on proto earth. So इन्होंने molecules लिए that were the major components, took molecules that were major components of the atmosphere at that time. So जो ये major molecules थे ये थे water, that is H2O, methane, CH4, ammonia, NH3, and hydrogen, H2. Then इन्होंने एक फ्लास्क में डाला स्टेराइल ग्लास ट्यूब्स में और फ्लास्क को एक ट्यूब में कनेक्ट किया. Put them in a sterile glass tube and flasks and connected them together. फिर स्पार्क चेम्बर में इन स्पार्क चेम्बर उन्होंने मीथेन उन्होंने स्पार्क चेम्बर में डाला मीथेन को, CH4, अमोनिया को और हाइड्रोजन गैस को इन 2:1:2 के रेशियो में and water vapor at 800 degree Celsius. फिर उन्होंने स्पार्क चेम्बर में 75,000 वोल्ट का करंट पास किया. This amount of current was passed which imitated lightning storms on Earth. So उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया आफ्टर 7 to 8 days के बाद. So after 7 to 8 days, observation was made. अभी जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस थी ये थी मीथेन एंड अदर मॉलिक्यूल्स changed into monomers of organic compound. And amino acids like glycine, alanine, and aspartic acid were found. So इस experiment ने prove कर दिया. So this experiment proved that organic compounds were required for cellular life. Made from gases under conditions present on early Earth. So I hope you understood this question. All the very best.